In Mandera, 2 non-local teachers at Arabia Boys Secondary School in Mandera County have been killed by suspected Al-Shabab terrorists. Reports indicate that an explosive device was thrown at the teachers' quarters by the attackers, who also sprayed bullets in the quarters occupied by 4 teachers. Police reservists who guarded the school were outnumbered and outgunned and therefore unable to repel the attack. Interior and National Coordination Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i has summoned all security teams and commanders for a meeting in Nairobi on Monday next week. NTV's Mel Myendo with the details.
Arabia Boys Secondary School in Arabia Town, Mandera County has suffered yet another attack from suspected Al-Shabab militia. Early Wednesday morning, the teachers' quarters came under attack. An explosive device thrown at a room with 4 non-local teachers. 2 of the teachers who died are from Western Kenya. Police reservists in the school compound failed to match the militants' firepower, but the situation was contained after deployment of more officers from a combined security team to reinforce those under attack. A statement from the National Police Service Commission indicates that, and I quote, all other teachers and students are safe and no other part of the school was affected. The hunt for the attackers is ongoing. End of quote. The militants also attacked the Safaricom mast in the town but met heavy resistance from the police manning the site. Arabia Town, which is just 6 kilometers from the border, had been attacked in February 2017, where the Al-Shabab militia attacked the Arabia police camp and made away with 4 BVR kits and 1 car. The attack comes days before the KCSE examinations kick off. Mandera County Commissioner Olaka Kutswa said in a statement that the County Security Committee has held several meetings with the County Education Board to make arrangements for necessary psychological support and counseling services for teachers and students. He said a combined team of KDF, GSU and RDU officers has been deployed to reinforce security in the area. Mel Myendo, NTV.